everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. If you're new here, my name is Jenny, and as you guys can see from the title, today I will be cleaning out my fridge as well as restocking it. So I thought I'd bring you guys along so you guys can see what I like to put in my fridge, as well as if you guys watch my cooking videos, you can probably use the same ingredients and kind of see how I use all my ingredients throughout the week. But yeah, thank you so much again for clicking on my video. Make sure to share, like, and subscribe, and turn on that post notification. That way you get notified every time I post a new video. Come along. Hey guys, so it's the next day. I actually only ended up cleaning the fridge and the freezer because let me tell you guys. So yesterday I was like, okay, let me clean the fridge, let me go grocery shopping, come back, organize everything. And as I was heading out, I realized I didn't have my key. Like a chain of unfortunate events. So it was so hot. Me and Aaliyah were stuck outside. After I came back, I wasn't really in the mood to record the video. But now I'm here. I came back from grocery shopping. I made it back inside my house. And so some of these stuff I actually got from Amazon Fresh. Okay guys, so I basically laid out over here on my table so I can also organize it into my pantry and my fridge. But a lot of these stuff I got from Amazon Fresh, the things that I don't like carrying upstairs. And then the rest I kind of just got on my own, like things that I want to go choose in the store. So here are the veggies. I got bell peppers. I use a lot of bell peppers. Strawberries, blueberries, banana, mangoes, avocados, onion, potatoes. And then I got these little yogurts that kind of, I can just take one on the go. This Hawaiian bread. I love to eat it with my burgers. I also got some white bread. I normally have wheat, but for now we'll do white. Cookies because we still very much like to snack. I want to make lasagna this week, so I got ricotta, mozzarella, provolone, as well as the noodles. I like to keep stacked on my noodles and pastas and sauces because they're just so easy to make, and having a baby in the house sometimes that could really come through. So I just buy her these Alba ones. So I'm more interested when I give her different noodles. Then I get her healthy juices. That's cranberry right there, milk, some lemonade, cereals, Ritz, pancake mix, baby snacks, Alfredo, tomato sauce. This orange chicken sauce is so fire, guys. Super fire. Literally white rice. You fry your chicken, you put this, and you have panda at your house. I got some oats, I got some protein, I have meat, drumsticks, sausage. Right here I have some chicken breast, tilapia. I like to just make it with some rice and season it really yummy. Some Gatorade, some corn. That sauce I like to stack up on them. I have more in my pantry. But yeah, basically that is all I got for the next 2 weeks. So this is where I left off yesterday. I just cleaned the fridge, I cleaned the door. My daughter hates that noise. But yeah, let's stack this bad boy up. Sorry that my pantry is a little dirty, but basically I try to section it as best as I could, make sure everything is visible up to the front to make sure I eat it, as well as here are the pasta sauces. The sauces I use for my meals, my cans. I want to get one of those little shelves. I want to organize this better, so that's why I'm also recording, to show you guys a journey on how I'm going to make this like a million times better. But basically, there is the pantry. Here is how the fridge looks. Chicken thighs to make some barbecue chicken. I froze the fish as well as the chicken breast because I already have chicken here. I already have that for the week. We just have some ice cream. And I also tried this one. It was honestly not all that. Here's my fruit bowl, guys. I know it's not the most colorful or the most beautiful, but I don't like to overbuy and then just let things go to waste. So I kind of get as I go. As soon as we finish this, I'm probably going to go next week and get more vegetables. But with dry foods that aren't going to go bad, I really like to stack up on those. But just going to meal prep. I'll probably bring you guys along. I'm not sure. I'm kind of a little limited on time, but I'll try to meal prep. And after that, later tonight, I'm going to do a Pilates, which I will record for you guys. So stick along. Okay guys, now that I am done organizing everything, I am about to make some chicken. I'm gonna put oregano, chili powder, I have caldo de pollo, which I don't put that much, but paprika for color, ground cumin, you want to be careful with this one, garlic powder, pepper, onion powder, and salt. So let's get to seasoning this chicken. Okay, so I just cleaned the chicken and it's drying up right now so I can season it. And for the meantime, I'm going to chop up the veggies while the oven finishes preheating and I season the chicken. Then I'm gonna toss it all together, pop it in the oven for about 1 hour and 20 minutes, take the aluminum off, leave it for about 15 more minutes, and then you'll have some yummy chicken. I'm also working on some beans right now because they take about an hour. After that, I'm going to do the rice lastly, 20 minutes before the chicken is done, and lunch will be served. Okay, the kitchen is all clean. I have those to put the rest of the food later, but the kitchen is all clean. Now it's just time to wait for the food. Oh my god, it smells so good. But I am now going to flip it so you can get that juice. And now we're gonna pop it back in the oven for 10 more minutes with no aluminum foil. Okay guys, lunch is all ready and served. We're gonna have it with some tapatio and some tortillas, and the rest I'm just going to put it for meal prep. There's honestly only like 2 meals because we're eating half of it here, but no worries. I'll check back up with you guys when we're done eating. All done with the fridge. I'm going to end my night with a nice 20-minute Pilates session. I'm gonna do Raven's Pilates again. I just seen that she posted a video. It's called Pilates Lower Body Routine, No Equipment Needed. 20 minutes. So let's get this. I will link the video down below, the one that I'm trying. So it's 20 minutes, but you guys are probably gonna see it in like 2 minutes. I'm gonna speed it up. So let's get this workout. was, whew, I am on fire. Oh my god, I'm sweating so much and my AC is literally on blast. But thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm going to end the video here. I am going to go take a shower and do my nighttime routine with Aaliyah and call it a day. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to also follow me on my other social medias like TikTok and on Instagram. I've actually gotten some gym footage, so if you're interested in looking at that, go ahead and follow me on my TikTok. All the information will be linked down below. Thank you again for watching and have a good night.